What's up, bag holders? Let's get in here and get this overtime in. We got the market up, so it takes out any worries about buying flips or anything like that. But we did sell one today. So if you've been up to speed with the website, posted that. Sold lows. So something else to keep in. We'll go ahead and put it on the screen. Why not? It don't cost. But we also got this dividend. So it hasn't paid out yet. It'll pay out on the 8th next week. But we did lock in this dividend. I'm just going to update my spreadsheet in the background here. And as you see, it's not quite ready yet. But it will set up for a swing trade, right? Because we had the 30 RSI hit. And then we need that 5 to get above the 20, right? So it's not ready yet. I was curious if it would be. 10. And that was a nice slide for the last day of the freaking month. So it's always nice to get it in there. All right, another thing is this guy gets to come down here. Back to the list here. Okay. McCormick was the order we put in yesterday, if you recall. And we got filled. So I don't know why I won't keep my little circles. I hit the save button. All right, and then we'll get into hyperspeed here. So I've been keep talking about we need to sell. So it was nice to sell one, even though we still bought one. We're still net flat, but that's all right. Any momentum we can get is welcome. So let's start with commodities. Silver is the only one that we currently own, and we're looking to get out of it. We did hit the 70 RSI, but it wasn't quite high enough for us. So if it makes a higher low, then maybe we get some luck. But we're looking to kind of buy some of these other ones. So we need 30 RSI. Nothing doing. Market was up, so there's no swings today. So we'll just go through the markets and just make sure. See, this one, if this one sets up, this is the Russell. So that's one to keep in mind. Got the triple Qs. If you can buy the damn market, I mean, these are all going to set up. I mean, they're all in the same vein here. We still have not gotten filled on this order. Our order's down here. Whatever this closing print was. So, hasn't happened. We've been close a few times. I'm going to let it go till Friday. This was the where does your paycheck go? And just don't buy into the FOMO. There's no point of it. If it doesn't get filled by Friday, I'll take the order out. We'll go through the stocks again, and we'll handle it on the weekend. But patience pays, so especially with this big red candle under the 200, we're going to let it roll. And if we miss the dividend, we just miss it. It's okay. There's always an opportunity because I'm always looking. Always looking. All right. Pepsi finally hit. It's not my favorite stock. This is an easy one here. Doesn't get any easier than that. And that's why I have the top 10 here at the top. So I'm most likely to see those. And it is trading lower. I got 162 on my brokerage, but I'm going to put the 163.28 price in extended, and we'll see if we can get filled here in real time. I should be able to. Which I always like, because then I have my spreadsheet going, and I just like, I'm pretty disorganized, but I like to know where my money's at. We got filled here at 163.15, which is pretty good. And there's always going to be a market maker making their living, and the brokerage is always going to take their cut. So even though they say it's, commission free trading or whatever, there's still money changing hands. So don't be fooled. But that's that for PepsiCo. And save it again. Now we gotta move it up here. And that gets us going. I think we also have a little out of order. I get so excited. Like the excited Southerner. EVIX, we have the $5 put on this week. Remember that. So it's $1 under. So it's pretty safe. Of course, you never count your chickens before they hatch, but there's that. So now that we have our purchase done, we need to be looking to see if we need to put any sell orders in. And that would conclude the frickin' day. You can see, nice little base here. We'll just go. Most of the stuff was up. This is a 55. Not quite high enough. It's moving the right way, though. And don't be surprised or disappointed if I start cutting a bunch early come tomorrow or the end of the week, because that's just my style, and I'm kind of a chicken. But I've got my investment account so ironclad that I don't care. 63, right on the 200. The only thing that makes me want to put the order in is the fact that it's on the 200, because that acts as support. And what was the floor comes the ceiling. Does that mean it's just going to stop there? No, but I think I am. I think I'm going to put this one in. And I'll put it in right for the 75.12. Like I said, we have a lot of holdings too, so. And if it falls down, then it's okay. I'll just remove the order. See, I don't look for that one to fill, but in the after hours. But I have seen stranger things. If I see anything, or if it fills up, I'll be happy to put that on the website if I think about it. I like this little D. I'm all about the little D. What's going on with Starbucks? Yeah, it's kind of hanging in there. It's got a little D coming too. And see, this one is the diamonds. And you've got your setup here, and we got in, but you also have another setup here. So if this thing crosses back above, we could potentially buy again, and our average would be somewhere in the middle, right? There's a little D. We're going to get this one for sure. I'm just not, I'll be stubborn enough and I'll hold through that. So tomorrow, we could even put a sell order in and still get it. So Norfolk Southern, their earnings weren't that great, but they must have already dumped on the stock beforehand. Of course, insider trading information is all illegal. That never happens. Oh, shit. Look at all these positions we got. There's another little D. Must be heavy quarter for dividends. All right. Nice little pin there. There's another V. And that's it. So we got one. It's not if you're a manager, your position, obviously make your own decisions. Don't just follow me because that ain't gonna get you nowhere. But I just, from what I see at the damn chart, is this whole resistance level. So if I can get a little bit of a move, cool. But those who hold longer on good companies like this is Colgate. If this 5 crosses above this 200, this thing could rip, all the way up to here. So that's just not the game. I mean, there's multiple ways to make money of the markets. You can take the short swing, the long swing. You can in and out, day flip, whatever. I like the short term when I'm trading as quick as I can because I think that is the most accurate way somebody can predict the price action. Even though nobody knows where the stock's going to go, I think in the short term, you got better odds of choosing a direction and with a signal being reliable. So that's the way I play it. And then, of course, as things sell, the bigger positions they'll start feeding the passive income in the trading account and the charity, and then a portion goes into the investment account where I have all these same stocks. So it's all good. I don't have to worry about selling too soon. Like, I sold it and it ripped up another $10. Well, I still own it. So it's all good. So I hope that's helpful to you. Happy Halloween to you. And we'll catch you tomorrow. Peace out.